Welcome to Fixit Dubai, your trusted guide for modern, sleek, and timeless home interiors. In today's video, we explore the Zara Home and Japandi-inspired color trends for 2025. A journey into neutral elegance, natural textures, and serene minimalism that's transforming homes across Dubai and beyond. Whether you're renovating, designing from scratch, or simply refreshing a space, this is your go-to guide for embracing calm, clean, and curated aesthetics that define luxury in 2025. Section 1. What is Japandi-style, and why it's trending in 2025? Japandi is more than a design trend, it's a philosophy. A beautiful blend of Scandinavian functionality and Japanese minimalism. Think clean lines, neutral tones, natural wood, and purposeful simplicity. In 2025, Japandi evolves with warmer beiges, earth-based grays, and organic textures. Zara Home captures this vibe perfectly. Soft linens, handcrafted ceramics, muted woods, and cozy ambience. Japandi 2025 trends: minimal living room, natural color palette, Dubai interiors, Scandinavian design. Section 2. Zara Home Color Palette 2025. Nature-inspired serenity. Let's look at the color palette defining 2025. Warm taupe calming and grounding. Muted sage perfect for walls and textiles. Clay beige and dusty terracotta a nod to the desert tones of Dubai. Stone grays and soft whites minimalist but rich in texture. Zara Home's collections this year showcase linen throws, ceramic vases, and oak finishes in these shades, offering peaceful sophistication to any interior. Section 3. How to apply Japandi neutrals in every room. Living room. Use light beige walls, ashwood furniture, textured rugs, and minimal decor. Add greenery in neutral clay pots. Bedroom. Layer soft whites with stone-tone bedding. Go for low-profile furniture. Kitchen. Combine white walls with oak shelves and matte black fixtures. Bathroom. Neutral tiles with wood accents and minimal styling. A spa-like feel. This is the perfect balance between cozy and modern, with a palette that never overwhelms. Section 4. The psychology of neutral colors. Peace, focus, and balance. Neutral shades are proven to reduce stress, promote focus, and create emotional warmth in living spaces. In today's high-speed life, Japandi interiors offer a space where your mind can slow down. Zara Home's minimalist candle holders, rattan lighting, and glass storage jars contribute to this aesthetic beautifully. Section 5. Fixit Dubai's Guide, bringing this trend to your home. At Fixit Dubai, we help you bring Japandi-inspired design into real spaces. Wall painting and finishes in neutral tones. Custom furniture in natural materials. Flooring that enhances light and simplicity. Full home transformations with calm, functional layouts. Thank you for joining us on this serene design journey. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a trend update. Drop your thoughts below. Which color would you bring into your space first? Stay calm, stay elegant, stay inspired.